Okay, so now we're going to get ready to mount these onto the feet. So, let's see here. We're going to be using screw A and B like we've done before to screw these in. Now the tricky part here that we're going to have to get right from the get-go is how this is going to screw in. So let me get one of these and see how this is going to work. What I'm basically going to do is I'm going to position one of these facing towards me, and I'm going to kind of match it up with the picture. On this case, from the document, I'm matching it up to the left leg, and I'm going to put this in a way where this is positioned the same way. Now it looks like this isn't the right one, so I'm going to grab this one, because in the diagram it actually has these to the outside. So let's see how this is going to go. And sure enough, this mounts as such. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to start mounting this thing in place. Now we're going to get these screws that are self-tapping, which are not those, they are these. We're going to need 3 of those. We take out 6, because we will need 6 in total when we're done. And we're just going to screw those right in. See, now I didn't follow my rule, which I always do, and basically I got one misaligned here, got off center, but it's not that hard to adjust it back, so we're good there. Okay. Okay. Now the next part will be to mount those, so I'm going to do that one after. Let me go ahead and mount this one now. How is this shown here? That's shown like that, with this facing outward. Is that correct? That is correct. So let's go ahead and mount this one. This time I am starting from the center. And we're done. Now, those are the self-tapping ones. Now let's go back to the other screws. So we need 3 of these for each leg. So we've got about that there. And we just start screwing them in. No logic to it, just there you have it. The first leg is now assembled. This is great. It's starting to look like something. I'll put that one off to the side so I can go ahead and mount this one. Sure enough, we are done. Now I'm just going to do a quick check. Make sure these are accurate to the picture. Sure enough, they are. The metal horns on the inside here, and the plastic ones on the outside. These look identical to the picture, except that they're angled forward like this in the picture. Not sure if you can see that, but they're slightly angled forward. That's not a big deal. So let's continue. Now on to page 19. It appears that this is going to have a special installation, which is different than all the other installations we've done. So basically, we're going to put in what looks like it might be the knee. We're going to need this component, this one, and this one. Okay, and this time around, it's not really going to be mounted inside of here in the same way. So let's see how this is going to work out. I'm going to go ahead and grab, it looks like we're going to need 2 more servos. And I just thought I'd add, we're almost done with servos after this. So servo hell's almost over. And let's see how we're going to mount this. So we're going to go ahead and take screw A, which are these small ones that we've been using so much of. And we're actually going to put these two together. So we're going to place these this way, like so. And this is on the bottom of page 19 on how to mount these. And these are going to be mounted like so. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but there you go. Almost looks like a little foot of some sort. And they're each going to take 4 screws, so I'm going to take out 8 to get me started. All right. This is where magnetic precision tools would come into play. I'm going to screw one of them in and then align the rest. Now these pieces are the top piece that we're mounting to. It's a little flimsy, so you kind of have to realign it to screw it in right. Although it will start aligning itself as soon as you get in there. And some of the other ones will get slightly loose, so you want to make sure that those are tightened up afterwards. There you have one. Now we're going to go ahead with the next one. This one fell in the wrong hole.